I write about the stimulus package is not for the poor and middle class. The stimulus package is for the rich. So everybody said, oh, we put $2.2 trillion. Well, I think 340 billion went to the Fed from the Treasury, taxpayer money. But really what the stimulus package is doing, it's sending people at home an extra $600 or $3,200, whatever it is. I don't get a check. But it's not enough because it hasn't solved the problem. And so that means there'll be more stimulus, but don't kid yourself. That stimulus is there to keep the stock market propped up so the rich can sell and get out. So the only reason the stock market is at kind of high as I talk to you today is it provides what in the military we used to call air cover. So, the jets move in and all this, so the ground troops could retreat. So the stimulus checks are to keep the poor and middle class peasants working on the farm while the rich evacuate and climb in the lifeboats and escape. So are there going to be more stimulus? Absolutely. Is the US dollar going to crash? Absolutely. Are we heading for a depression? We're already in it, because the definition of a depression is really multiple quarters of subprime growth. And we've been there for about 5 years now. The only thing that prevented a real depression was stimulus, quantitative easing, and ZIRP. Well, the Federal Reserve Bank, US Treasury, and Wall Street are out of the bag of tricks. They can't pull any more rabbits out of their hat. So that's why I've been saying buy some gold, silver, or Bitcoin, because at this moment, those are the best investments you can. And if you really know what you're doing, junior mining stocks and big mining companies like Barrick and Newmont are good investments. But I don't do those things because about 20 years ago, I started my own gold mining company and took it public. That's a horror's game. I mean, there's more crooked corruption in that thing. And I wasn't smart enough to keep up with the crooks, should I say. So I decided it was better for me to buy gold coins than mine for gold and try and create mining stocks. But anyway, that's everybody's lesson. But today, as I talk, this is May 2020, the best investment are gold, silver, Bitcoin, big miners, and junior miners. But the US dollar is in serious trouble when it goes back to 1971, when President Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard and the US dollar became fake money. So that's my tweet.